Hi guys. Everyone has the access to AI and ChatGPT. How to use the tools to build your destiny makes the difference now? In this video, I'll reveal a hidden and unique way of using the power of artificial intelligence. The strategy is deadly easy and so powerful that make you $1,000 daily. Today, I've a real breaking news for you. Something that's about to shake the digital marketing world. Are you ready to ride the wave of new digital trends? But first, let's take a step back and try to understand the basic problem. You are struggling for months and even years to earn online, and you literally tried everything but were unable to crack the online earning code? You tried blogging, affiliate marketing, print on demand, freelancing, and all other known methods. But still you are not earning even $100 online. But do you know that artificial intelligence and ChatGPT not only changed the game but also the rules of the game? ChatGPT impact is considered equal to like invention of the car that had transformed human history forever. So, if you are still using traditional methods of making money online, it's like pulling a horse's cart, with cars racing all around you. So, buckle up, savvy learners, and online entrepreneurs. Because today, I've got the shocking news that's about to shake up the marketing world. Artificial intelligence makes it effortless for you to do affiliate marketing in a unique way, riding high on the wave of digital trends. Welcome to the stage, the one and only AICourseSite, your golden ticket to a smarter, more automated affiliate marketing journey. AICourseSite isn't your run-of-the-mill software promising the moon and stars. AICourseSite isn't just a tool. It's a game changer that's here to simplify affiliate marketing in ways you've never seen before. Let's break it down, shall we? What is AICourseSite? You must have heard of Udemy. Udemy is an online learning platform where thousands of digital courses are hosted. Udemy is making billions by charging 20% to the course owners. This is exactly what AICourseSite does for you. AICourseSite is a ChatGPT-powered app that creates your own Udemy-like fully automated website in just 60 seconds. A site that's loaded with 185,000 e-learning courses in about 200 categories. It's super user-friendly. With just a few clicks, you'll be the proud owner of your own Udemy-like website. And here's the kicker. Each course comes pre-embedded with your very own affiliate link. So, can you imagine your affiliate commission when you have 185,000 online digital courses and you are an affiliate to all of them? It's like having an army of affiliates working for you, while you sit back and enjoy the rewards. Let's watch how AICourseSite works.